2,
2. Very good. This
3,
3. This one
4,
4. This one
5,
very good. And the last one
6,
6. Okay. So we have here, I can draw a line 3 inches long. So where is 3 inches?
6,
Where is 3? It's here. Is this 3?
3,
Yes, very good. Therefore, the line will start here up to 3. Okay?
3. Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, next is, let's proceed to the next one. This one, number 4. What number is this, Ami? Number